Okay, for whatever reason, I feel like I have to push myself really, 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 really hard. So last week I started off doing 5 reps with the 60-pound dumbbells, and I was able to muster that. I started on a Wednesday, and then you saw that video on Monday, so it's been a week and a half of doing the 60-pound dumbbells. And on Friday I pushed myself up to try to do 10 reps, and I was able to do 10 reps of everything except the presses. I got 7 reps on my first workout. No, 8 reps on my first workout, 7 on my second workout, and 6 on my third. But then what I did was, after my workout was complete, I finished my presses. So in other words, I couldn't just go on about my day knowing that I didn't do 30 presses in 3 sets. So I had 2 to make up from the first set, 3 from the second set, and 4 from the third set. So I still needed to do more presses. So I did as many as I could. I can't remember the exact number now, but I did as many as I could. Then I rested for a little while, and then I finished off the set. So today, Monday, I'm making this video hoping I can get it up in time for you to see it. We're doing my excessive workout. And let me tell you, I'm feeling it. Guys, I am feeling it. But I just feel like I have to push myself really, really hard, because nobody else will. Nobody else is going to push me. I'm the only one here. I'm the only one that can push myself. So I've been kind of stretching out a little bit this morning. I got my shower. I'm ready to go, and we'll see what we can do. I don't know if I can do 10 presses or not, but we'll see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, only 8 this time. Okay. So I'm still going to have 2 to make up for that. The presses are the hardest thing I do, guys. But I push myself. So I have 2 presses to make up now. I want to get to where I'm doing, hopefully by the end of this week, I want to get to where I'm doing 10 of everything. And then, instead of trying to jump 5 at a time like I was on the last one, if I can get to where I'm doing 10 of everything, maybe over the next week or 2, then what I'll do is I'll try to add 1 rep to each exercise that I do. I'll try to add 1 rep every week, so that I'm not trying to make such a huge jump. But going from 5 to 10 reps, I feel like I have to push myself to do that. I don't know why I feel that way, honestly, but I feel like I have to push myself to do that. So just the way I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. One more. 10, 10. I know. But you know, the more you push yourself, the stronger you're going to get. That's a fact. There are certain exercises I do that are harder than others. The presses, for example. That's my hardest exercise because of my damaged shoulders and my neck. Those are my hardest exercises. The curls come in second. That's my second hardest exercise. Everything else, the shrugs, the lat pulls, the squats are somewhat easier. And then, oh yeah, so on Friday, because I bumped up to 10, remember I had been doing 5 reps for a week and a half up to that point. And then Friday, I started my 10 reps and I was able to do 20 of the triceps because we have to double that up. And by doubling that up, we're getting the same workout as if I was holding both weights doing 60 pounds with each hand. So that's where that is. I have to rest a little longer in between each exercise. Honestly, it's a lot. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, the lat pulls are a little easier. I guess I have really strong lats. I'm going to do my squats next. And then obviously I have 2 presses to make up, but I'll do that at the end of my workout. So I'll do my sets, keep track of how many presses I need to make up for, and then when I'm done with my final set and I rest for a little bit, then I'll pick up the dumbbells and I'll finish off my presses because I don't like leaving things incomplete. I don't like leaving things unfinished. Put it that way. So I will finish the number of presses that I need to do. And then eventually, hopefully by the end of this week, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully by the end of this week, I'll be able to do 10 presses with each session. That'd be nice, huh? Won't that be nice? I'm a little wore out today. First workout of the week is always it's almost the hardest. The last workout of the week is the hardest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now, gotta let my arms relax for a minute, and then we will do our triceps. I'm a little lightheaded right now for some reason. Not sure why. Maybe because I'm pushing myself so fucking hard. I have a tendency to do that. have a tendency to push myself way too hard. That's why my physical therapist said to only do the morning workout and not push myself doing the evening workout. And that, honestly, that might be why I'm having a difficult time getting up to 10 reps. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I think if I was doing my evening sets as well, that I would be building strength faster. But guys, I don't feel good. I'm going to have to sit down for a minute and then I'll finish with my triceps and I'll complete my workout for the day. In the meantime, I will see you in my next video.